All right, so the first thing they need to do is take an empty evaporating dish, weigh the mass, record that here. So that's step one.
Okay.
Then they need to weigh in the sodium bicarbonate, which is this. And they need about 5 grams. So they'll look and be like, okay, that's about 5 grams. And they would record that mass in the manual. Okay. And they need to take that. A watch glass. And we're going to go back to the so after they've done that, you can pause it for a second. Okay, so we can reconvene. Step 3 now. It says step 3, add 5 to 6 milliliters of distilled water to the bicarbonate just to get it moistened. So like that. And then we need to take the watch glass and put it on top of that whole thing. Step 4. Move the watch glass aside slightly and add in small portions of the concentrated HCl from the graduated cylinder. So it's going to look like, when they do it, it looks like this. Take it aside, it's going to fizz, and then they put the lid back on so that it doesn't bubble up. Once it sort of calms down, they're going to add a little bit more. And we'll do this, they'll keep going until it stops bubbling. And they don't want it to bubble out because they're going to lose what they need to measure. Let's keep going a little bit. And separate all of the water off of that. So grab some of that.
Just water?
Just water. So we need a Bunsen burner. So a tripod. This is a thing that we use a bunch. Wire mesh Bunsen burner. Striker. You're going to bring the water bath to a boil. I actually usually tell the students to start this first, just so it boils up.
Or you can put a lid on or boil faster, right?
Yeah, but what we actually do is, the reason we want it to boil is they have to dry this out.
Okay.
So this is the kind of crux of it. They place the dish in the water bath, so it's going to boil. The steam is going to dry out the water so that we only have the solid salt left over. This is kind of the tedious part. It's going to take 15 to 20 minutes or so. But this is all that it'll look like.
And then we'll turn into salt.
Yeah, technically it is salt. It'll just dry it out.
Dry out.
It's salt and water.
So this is experiment 3.
Correct.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Just take tongs. Drop it. Take tongs. Take the evaporating dish, which is going to be hot. out. And then take the water bath off. And then put the dish directly on the mesh for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, they take it off, let it cool, and then they're going to take it back and measure the mass that's left over. Then afterwards, they're going to put it back on the mesh for another 3 minutes, and then repeat until the mass doesn't change, because that means it's completely dry. And then that's the end of the experiment.
How many times they have to measure it?
Usually maybe 3 times.
3 times.
So
They have to.
I'll make up numbers, right? It might be 31.5 grams after the first time they do it. Then they'll measure again, be like 31.2 grams. Yep.
So record.
Yeah.
Write it down right there.
31.2 grams. That means it's still not completely dry because there's still water in there. And they'll measure it again, and it'll be 31.1 grams. This is actually not what she's recording. That's not what I'm recording. I'm just giving you an
Right,
example.
right. That's what I was thinking. I was
Yeah.
like,
So this is what we've done here. We've
Yeah.
gone through step 6. In terms of thinking about this, like if you want, pictures of the different types of tongs that they need. This is for the dish, this is for the beaker. And in terms of like the mode of how they hold it, I think that might be useful, because I see students trying to like grab different things and they don't know what to use and that sort of thing. So they'll like use this on here
No.
when they don't have a good grip.
No.
So those are the kinds of,
Graphic
Yeah.
that we need to put
yeah.
them together. Okay.